Gaming, and we're on our main account. We already have 1,200 newbies crest, and we're about to get a newbie skin. Let's go to the event shop. These are all the available newbie skins that we can acquire, and we already have the newbies Fredrin. So I was thinking about getting either Brody or Ling, but since I don't know how to use Ling that properly yet, I'm going to choose Brody. And I'm not a mage user, so I didn't choose Pharsa nor Lilia. But those are two great skins. Pharsa skin is very good, especially the old C. It has its own cool music. So let's buy Brody, newbies Brody.
I won't stop till they're all brought to justice.
Nice. 3,000 collection points added to our collector points. This is skin number 617 for me. Newbies Brody. Newbies Series skin. Nice. So let's check the skin effects by practicing.
I won't stop till they're all brought to justice.
This is for you guys to find out if newbies Brody is worth your diamonds. Basic attack. Select the basic attack effects. Second skill is just simple, and the ultimate is the best. So let's turn the AI into God mode.
These punks know that's my playground.
I don't know why my device is slowing down.
You have the right to eat dirt. Don't
Or is the skin too heavy?
shadows will judge you.
Let's remove the cooldown. I really like the first skill. It has a snake coming out. The basic attack is also good. I like the weird sound effects that it does. And the ultimate is also great. Especially with the Cobra showing up. I don't know why my device is showing up. Maybe I should just reset this
You're my next promotion.
device. Anyways, that's it guys. What newbie skin did you get? Share in the comment down below. The Link skin is also great guys, especially the ultimate and the second skill. But, yeah, I won't be able to use Link that much, and I already have the Kung Fu Panda skin of Link. Anyways, thank you for watching. Still have enough time to get newbie skin before the event ends. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.